Welcome to my channel Data Science. Today's topic is Python tuple. Tuple are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuples are written within the round brackets. See my tuple. We can use the round brackets to assign elements to the tuple. See, you can check the my tuple. Check what is the type. See, it is tuple. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that we can't change, we can't add or remove items after the tuple has been created. Tuple allows multiple values, duplicates also. For example, see, here I am adding this word two times. See, it allows duplicate values like this. Same time, tuple allows different data formats. I am assigning the string format apple after integer, then after boolean, again integer, again string. Tuple access different data formats. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside the square brackets. My tuple, I want to retrieve 58. What is the index for the 58? Python default starts it indexes from the 0. So Apple is the 0 index, 58 is the 1 index. If we want to retrieve 58, we need to use the 1. At the same time, we can able to retrieve multiple elements at a time by using this format. See, I am retrieving all these. If you want starting onwards, you don't provide any value before the semicolon. It will retrieve the all the values starting from the index 5. If you want to give the values from the true, that means you need to give here true value. I need to retrieve all the values starting from the after true. Say true 69 grapes like this. At the same time, it will allow negative index also. Negative index means last is the first one, like that. Once a tuple is created, you can't change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable, but there is a workaround. You can convert tuple into a list, change the list, and convert the list back into the tuple like this. For example, I have created one tuple. We already have the my tuple. Then after, I'm converting x equal list of my tuple. I'm converting my tuple to the list. See, now you can assign any value to the list, right? See, now again you can convert this list to tuple by using the tuple constructor. Now you can check this tuple y. Apple 58 true 69 and red. Like this, once you created tuple, then you can convert the tuple into a list, change the list and convert the list into tuple. If we want to add, since tuples are immutable, they don't have to any inbuilt append method, but there are the other ways to add the items to a tuple. Again same, convert into a list just like the workaround for changing a tuple. You can convert it into a list, add your items, remove your items, again convert it back into a tuple. For example, I want to add something. Again, you can convert this one into list, x equal list. Now you can append new thing, that is the 59. Again, you can convert into the tuple. Then you can print y value. See, I have added like this. You can convert it as a list again. Then you can remove something. Then after you can convert this x into the tuple. See, we have removed 59. If we want to join two tuples, uh, you can use the extend. For example, we already have the x tuple, right? X is the list. We want to convert x as a tuple. Then after, you can create one more tuple. See, I have created one more tuple. Now you can use this one tuple x dot extend y. What happened? What is x? Okay, you can create one more tuple here like this. Again, you can use the extend. Okay. If we want to, why it gives error? If we want to use this one, first we need to convert it as a list. For example, I am converting it as a list. Now we can see apple, banana. Otherwise, you can take like this x plus y. We can able to add two things like this. If we want to multiple tuple values uh, more than one time, for example, I have the tuple that is the z. I am assigning x plus y to the z. If I want to create same elements more than one time, then d equal z multiply I want to two times. So now you can check the d. It adds two times. If you want here, you can check with the four times. Then it will add four times. One, two, three, fourth time. This is tuples. Here also, if we want to extend, we need to convert it as a list. Then it gives the value. Okay. So tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuples is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. If we want to create tuple, we need to written with round brackets. Tuples are unchangeable. That means we can't add remove items. That's why we call it as a immutable. Tuples allows duplicate values. At the same time, tuples support different data types. For example, here I have assigned string, integer, boolean. Again integer, string like this. We can able to access values by using the index. Then after, if we want to add any value to the tuple, first we need to convert tuple into list. We need to add the value. Then after we need to convert list into a tuple. If we want to remove, same thing. First we need to convert tuple into list. We need to remove whatever item we want. Then after we need to come back into the tuple. Then after, see, if we want to add multiple times the whatever the elements presented in the tuple, then you can use like this star. This is the tuple. I have given the multiple symbol, that is the star. Here you can give the integer how many times you want to multiply those elements. Thank you.